Welcome back. This video is about Orbiter and Universe. Orbiter are an exclusive feature in Universe and is a helpful little tool to help you synchronize your media server, like for example Watchout, Pandora's Box, or Ventus, to synchronize it with your Universe program. What would you need that for? As you can see, I have here a little control for my Watchout device, and now if I hit play, it makes play. But now, you see here, I have two different timelines with different content. And now if I want to control the second video, I have to get right here and here the parameter. So the name of the timeline, of the second timeline. Now if I click on it, it works. But this is a place where a mistake might happen, because if you only have like one letter wrong or anything, bam, it won't work. So if you want to avoid that, you go on your device list, go to your Watchout device, and here you have the Orbiter. And now here you put in your project file of Watchout. So and now, as you can see, it's yellow. It found the project file. It found here 6 timelines, 3 inputs, and now I set it on active. As you see, it turns green. And now, instead of a parameter where I have to write in the name, here I have all my timelines. So if I now want that one to control main timeline, I choose main timeline, get another one, which have to control that timeline. And now, as you can see, press Shift and play. It goes for the main timeline, pause, and here it controls the other timeline I want to control. This helps you a lot if you have a lot of timelines to control, a lot of queues as well. You can control the queues with right here, as you can see. It also takes the drop-down menu right here. It helps you to organize your projects. For Pandora's Box, for example, you can also have presets, which are in the Orbiter section right here, and you have available presets. That could be, for example, a transport button set with play, pause, stop, and a time code. Or, for example, you can say, give me all the queues, and it gives you like an interface with all the queues. But that don't works with Watchout. But there is a feature which is exclusive to Universe for Watchout, and which isn't even implemented by the original script of Dataturn, the producer of Watchout, which is kill all. So you choose here kill all. So you choose here kill all or hold all. And you can choose between project, which kills everything, or the timelines from the Orbiter. So what happens now if we hit play, both sequences, and stop? Nothing's happening. Sweet. It's not even necessary that the device is connected. So like, for example, you get a Watchout project from a different operator, and you load it in here with the Orbiter, and you have, this is a quick way to get good orientation on what is going on in the project, even if you didn't produce it, and you know how to control it pretty easily if the yeah, like for example, the timeline names are given good or anything like that. So the tool is called Orbiter because like it's circling around the media server all the time. You change, for example, the name of timeline, and your device is right here set on permanent reading. It will also change the name of the timeline right here. Or for example, if I add a new timeline, it will also appear after a few seconds in this drop-down menu. In Ventus, it's a little bit different. If you have your Ventus device right here, and you that won't work with the project file, but directly with the program itself. And yeah, you have basically, if it works with an operator, all the same functions with the drop-down menus and all your options for your parameters right there. So this was the video about the Orbiter, the little assistant that helps you to organize your projects, clean and easy way to find everything in your project real quick. Thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to see you in the next videos, and I hope you have a lot of fun using Universe.